Hello friends, today I will show you how we can run a Python program. Okay, so we will do it from two things. Okay, so first I will show you how we can run Python from our terminal. Okay, so I have opened a folder in my PC and then I will go to the address bar and I will click on it and type cmd. Okay, and when I type cmd, it will open command line into this folder. So as you can see, f python script. Okay, so this is my current directory. What I will do, then I will type python. Okay, so now I am in my python console. Okay, here I will not show you its python data types and data structures and other things related to python. This is a tutorial just to show you how we can make a python script and run it. Okay, so this is our command line. We can practice here our python syntax, like we can make a variable a equals to 1. Okay, so we can keep 1 into if. Okay, so this is called a variable, and when I hit enter, 1 is stored into if, and when I type if and hit enter, we can see 1 is into if. Okay, and if I make a variable like mm, thd, and I will put a number 555 on it. Okay, and then I will print the, then you will see 555 is on it. Okay, and then what I will do, I will do a sum of the plus a. So what it will do, it will concat 555 plus 1. Okay, so as you can see, it is 556. Okay, and we can make any variable or do any calculations directly here. Okay, and we can do a lot more things. Okay, here, like we can import any library, import os and os dot list dir. This is a function where we can see the files of a folder. Okay, and we can do os dot get cwd. Okay, and this is a function, so we can run it as a function, so it will print our current working directory. Okay, this is an overview of python terminal, so let me exit from it. Okay, I've exited, and if I type cls, then it will clear our console. Okay, console means our cmd command line. Okay, now I will go back to our folder. What I will do, I will right click here on my folder. You can see here is a function open with code. If I click on it, what it will do, it will open VS Code into that folder. Okay, and now we can make a script in Python and then we can execute it. Okay, so here you can see, here is the icon of new file. I will click on it. Okay, and I will name it my script dot py. Okay, so for making it a python script, we have to write .py, so our editor will understand that it is a python program. I will hit enter. Okay, now we have created our first python script. Now if I go to my folder, then I can see my script.py. It is a python script. Okay, so now I will print some things here. Print I am Python Ninja. Okay, so and then you will see there is a round dot, black dot. This is the symbol where you can see that this file has new changes and it has not been saved to the disk. Okay, in our system. So I just wrote these lines and have not saved it. So what I will do, I will press Ctrl and S, so it will save this script, or you can save it also from here. You can see save, control plus S. Okay, so if I click here, then it will also save this. Now our file has been saved. So for running the script, there are more than one ways. Let me show you the first way. The first way is I will click on this play button. As you can see, it says run python file. If I click on it, then it will run this file as it understands our Python program. Okay, so it is opening terminal here. Okay, and then it will run this file. Yeah, as you can see, I am a Python ninja. Okay, and if I let's make a variable and then print it. Okay, so welcome equals to, so we can make variables into Python and then keep any value into under it. So I am making a string of welcome. So subscribe to my channel for getting more Python videos. Okay, now I've made a string. Okay, and I am putting it into a variable welcome. Okay, and then I am printing this string. Okay, so the whole string is under this welcome variable, and when I will print this welcome, so it will print the whole string. Let me save it with Control S, and then now in this time I will not use the play button. If I do, then it will do the same thing, print the other things like I am Python Ninja and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, it is printing two things. But there is one more way to do it. As we can see, our terminal or PowerShell has been opened in this directory, Python script. This is the same directory as I opened in my Explorer. Okay. So as you can see, there is a file my script. So if I see here, if I do ls, okay, so you can see dir if you are in your command line. So it will write out all the scripts or files in your directory. Okay, so I can see there is one file myscript.py. So for running it with Python, what we can do, we can type Python and the name of the script. Okay, so the name of the script is myscript.py. If I hit enter, then it will do the same thing, run our script. Okay, we can do same thing from our terminal or CMD also. Okay, so I have a terminal installed in my system. This is a terminal. You can also install it on your system if you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11. What you have to do, you have to go to Microsoft Store. Okay, so for the next videos we will use this terminal, so it will be easy for you if you install this terminal. Otherwise you can use CMD. Okay, but if you install this, there will be it will be automatically added in your context menu. So when you right click on any folder, you will see open in terminal. So this folder will be open into that terminal. If I see here, it's taking some time, and if I type here, okay, terminal and hit enter, then there are lots of terminal here, but I've installed Windows terminal. As you can see, it says installed. Okay, so this is a terminal. You can see how beautiful it is looking in this image. You can customize it. Okay, but I like my way of black screen, so you can customize it. Okay, and you can make it a glossy look. Okay, but anyways, you can install it or you can use CMD if you want. Okay, so let me do it. Here is our terminal. No, this is our CMD. I am closing it, and here is our terminal, Windows PowerShell. If I do ls, then same, it is printing all the scripts and files of the directory. Okay, so I will do Python and the name of the script. You can also press tab button, and it will automatically detect files line by line, one by one. So you can press tab sometimes, and it will look through all of your files. When you reach your script file, then what you can do, press enter. So it is printing our file content which we have written in our script. Okay, So this is only a tutorial that how you can make up a Python script and run it via different methods. Okay, so that's it for now, and on the next video I will show you different types of Python data and data structures and how we can use it. Okay, so subscribe to my channel if you want to get more Python tutorials. Thank you.